I want you to see this. This customer took this to the Nissan dealer for a horn that didn't work. They told him that a varmint had likely chewed the wires and that he was going to need an entire new harness. I already checked the relay and fuse in there and everything's working and clicking. I want to record this. I am going to temporarily put these wires back together. Just to see if that's the only problem this vehicle has. The fuse was good. The relay was clicking. And best I could tell, everything else in the car works fine. Even the customer said that. So I will fix this here in just a second, but we're going to test real quick just to see if that's all it is. 2015 Altima. About 31,000 miles. And now the horn works. And the Nissan dealer took this apart because they had scratched it all up in here using a pick tool instead of a panel popper. Broke a couple of the clips, left one out. They wanted $2,300 to fix that. Hate fucking thieves.